What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Pleased to bring you another video here today. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the massive sell-off that has been happening with SHLL Hyliion in the past 48 hours. We have seen an 18% decrease from max pricing, and the information that I have for you today is going to open your mind drastically. This video is going to give you the ability to strengthen your investing approach in the near future while we are investing in these SPAC plays and growth stocks. We're going to be going over why the stock is dropping, how much money I've lost in options, as well as why you have an opportunity to get in on some amazing options. And this is one of the first videos I ever posted in the evening, and I did do it for you guys because I do see some small opportunity and a chance to attack. I really hope a lot of people have the opportunity to see this video. And I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel so far. Your feedback is beyond appreciated, and the growth this channel is experiencing is just amazing. And I do see a lot of growth happening in the future, and I really hope you enjoy this video. And most importantly, only if you feel this video gives you great insight or investing approach on how to handle a plummeting stock that you are currently invested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a lot of great videos giving you good feedback, and we're going to be going over all the growth stocks and spec plays in the near future. There's going to be a lot of great information you don't want to miss out. All right, let's get into the video. All right, guys, I just want to say I'm really excited to bring you this video right now, okay? The last 48 hours, we have seen a sell-off with Hyliion, okay? A lot of people are saying Hyliion crashed, etc., on the YouTube platform. I just want to show you the psychology of investing, and especially in these newer SPAC plays, what we are seeing. Hyliion has dropped $42 to $34 in nearly 48 hours, down over 18% in 2 days. We have seen a slight comeback of around a 4% sell-off today, so we did have a little bit of movement in an upward trend. People that have been sitting at this peak price for over a month after initial merger was announced, you have to understand, people were buying in around the $30, $33 range, okay? When the decrease happened, they were sitting on a massive loss of over 50%. $33 from peak price to $18. These people are finally wanting to get out after making initial profit, even when the merger was announced. We also have short-term day traders entering a high volatility stock. These are the garbage men, the 3% gainers, the 5% gainers, 10% gaining. This is what they look for. This is how they make a living. You got to understand, they're going to make some nice profits with this stock moving like this, Some of these guys know what they're doing, okay? But you have to understand, since I've been preaching Hyliion this past month or so, we are in early. We are beyond early, okay? Everyone that I've been preaching to, we are all in $15 even to $40. Everyone's in that range, 15 to 40, okay? And some of you guys are in even lower. That's just the estimate price range of where we are in this stock, okay? Okay, so I pulled up the 1 month chart, okay? As we can see, we were hovering around that $18, $20 range. And then we started seeing the news break out, okay? The news started to break out. In this recent week, we had massive news about potential merger dates. You guys have to understand, this is just psychology, okay? People that already believed in Hyliion long term were in way earlier, okay? This is where you see that sporadic jump of people not wanting to miss out, okay? And we made it up to $42 range, okay? Right around that $42 range, okay? And now we are seeing these day traders and initial investors make a slight sell-off to get out because they've already made some nice solid initial profits. If they were in early in that $10, $15, $20, $30 range, a lot of people are taking profits right now, which is okay. As of Thursday, we hit a low the past week of $35, okay? A lot of you guys are writing on my channel, what's going on? Is it crashing? Honestly, I was kind of cracking up a little bit. Everyone was freaking out. You guys have to understand, we are going to be entering a rocket ship to Mars. This merger is unstoppable. The amount of people that are going to enter, when this deal is signed and this ticker symbol changes, that is why I've been preaching a solid swing term trade for the options. But understand, I'm still holding the options. And understand, I am still holding the stock as well. I'm holding those long term. Regular stock will not be touched. We have to understand there's no news. This stock does nothing when there's no news. It literally is flatlined. Flatlining is exactly the same time when I purchased my options, okay? That's the best time to purchase. And as we're getting later on into the video, as you can see, I'm building up some steam as this is a nice time. This could be your last time to buy some solid options when I get into these price cuts we're going to be looking at. Every time news breaks out for 2 days, articles are getting absorbed across millions of people, okay? Once the news stalls, people get worried when stocks don't move, and they want to move money elsewhere. America is more and more impatient than ever. Investors are growing younger and younger and want super hot, fast money. When these little slight sell-offs from these day traders and and people that want those short-term gains, the fear sets in, and we see the slight sell-off. 18% is no joke. That's some big money. That did just happen, okay? And we can see people are attacking that fear right now. We just seen a super nice increase from that $34 to like $38 range, and you can see people are coming in there, swooping up the shares, ready to enter the rocket ship. So guys, this is the fun part, okay? Just in a matter of 48 hours, I lost $5,000 in pure profits, okay? I think my profit gain on the 6 grand was up to like, it was like 17, 18,000 total portfolio. So it was like 11,000 gain what I was averaging. And it's all the way down to, I don't even know what it's down to. And it's down big. It is down big. And I want you guys to understand, I was off work, taking a nap, checked my phone, and it said down like $5,000. You want to know what I did, guys? Do you want to know what I did? I checked my phone. I made a sandwich. I went to sleep again, and then woke up and forgot the stock even dropped. Guys, these options I got, I'm not selling. This does not scare me at all. You have to understand, I got in at a great opportunity at a solid price point that is still not even being touched. But we are going to be going over my options play as well as the options I'm seeing for you guys because they are looking nice. And I know a lot of you guys were trying to jump the gun a couple of days ago, but I just want you guys to realize, this may be your last opportunity to get these super price cuts on these options because they're looking pretty nice now. Remember, you guys were asking me and I was telling you, I don't know. I mean, they're not bad. Now they're looking pretty sweet, okay? That's just the truth. Right now, as of Thursday night, the options I purchased for $3.90, they're going for an average of $7.60, okay? The options are still worth a solid $5,800, okay? I purchased them for around $6,200. But I want you guys to understand, when this stock was at that $42 range, I do not kid you, my portfolio and these options were over $22,000, okay? So I want you guys to understand with these options, I'm averaging close to $2 grand per dollar of movement. I think it's around $1,500 to $2 grand per dollar of price movement. That's what I've been telling you about these options. They are rocket fuel. As you can see, I'm not selling. Someone could literally offer me an extra $10,000 on top of this return right now and say, this is your last chance to get out. I'm gonna say no, okay? This is a nice investment, okay? I got these far out after the merger, an additional potential month. These options are going to go nuts, okay? I literally had over 22K in profit. I think it was around Thursday or Friday last week. And as you can see, it's dropped tremendously. It dropped from $20,000 pure profits to less than $5,000 profits. That's a $15,000 cut. So these last 2 days, I've been whacked, guys, like whacked. It does not bother me at all. I know what I'm waiting for, and I'm very excited as we get closer and that news starts breaking out. So now that you guys know what I'm doing on those options, which I see going a lot higher than $25,000 profit, okay? I'm thinking more in the 50K range. If this stock can hit that $60, $70, potentially over 50K profit. So just understand that if this stock moves the way I want it to move, I did a great job not selling. So just understand that, all right? Let's take a look at these options. All right. So you guys know what I've been preaching on these options, okay? We are hearing that the merger is potentially September 15th, okay? You have to understand, they put these options around September 18th. That's putting you massively close to that potential merger, okay? You're going to be getting chopped up on expiry date, okay? You're going to be getting nailed. So understand, You want to play it safe, okay? These are going for a solid price, but if we take a look at these October 16th options, you got to understand my $40 call option just a couple of days ago, I believe last Thursday when I was up big, was worth nearly 12 bucks. So I'm seeing a $4 cutoff on that option, okay? And if you believe this stock is going to move really hard like I expect, you can play it a little better as well, increasing your strike price. I would say that $55 range is not bad. Even that $59 is not bad because of the volume, the FOMO, the opportunity of people going in on the stock is going to be crazy, okay? This October 16th does give you cushion from that expiration date, as well as if the merger doesn't fall through and gets pushed back 2 weeks, you got cushion. That's what we're looking for, okay? So these are not bad. You can do some damage with these $4 and $5 call options. I'm telling you. Go put it in my options calculator that I was going over. That's going to give you a great perspective of what kind of profits you can make at what potential price points you think this stock is going to hit. Like I've been preaching before, guys, patience, 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 okay? This isn't even crazy patience from what, the old-time investors were doing. These guys were holding for 10, 20, 30 years, okay? I know there's a lot of younger generation on this channel, but guys, we gotta hold our ground, man. We can't be freaking out over a little price cutoff of 15%. We can't be freaking out over a 15% decrease in the stock value, guys. We got to hold, man. We are right next to the merger, okay? You guys that have been investing these past weeks, months, this is what you've been waiting for. You're going to let a little sell-off bother you? It's time to hold your ground. And you're wondering about the jump. Why did it bounce back? People actually stick to their roots. They stick to their gut. They have entry points that haven't invested. And people are sticking to the roots and buying in for long term, okay? That's why you can see that $4 jump. People were like, you ain't buying? People were like seeing people sell off, come in and swoop them stocks up for a little decrease in value. You got to understand, you have a golden opportunity. This is the possible last chance to get amazing options, okay? These are the best I've seen the options in the past 2-3 weeks, since that flat line. So just take that into consideration. I put this video together as quick as possible because this is my first time posting in the PM. So I just want to see how this video rolls out, and I was trying to get it out to you as soon as possible. And I hope a lot of people have the opportunity to see this video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date on all the hottest growth stocks and spec plays. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. There's going to be a lot of great content coming out in the near future, and you don't want to miss out. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.